How to add products to favorite on Temu. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the products on favorite in Temu app. So you need to go on the Google Play Store or App Store. On the top search bar you can search for Temu and then you will see an option like this. So it is a very good application if you want to buy anything here. Now after installing it, you will see an interface. You should log into your account from Temu. Now if you choose any of the product, for example if I want to choose the cloth for me and I want to add it to favorites, and I will just tap on it, and after tapping on this I will just navigate to the product that I like and I will see a heart icon or something similar nearby the product details. You should scroll down and search for product details option, and then you will see a heart option. That heart option is the icon of adding some product to favorites. Tap on that icon and you are done. That is it. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.